Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when dealing with technology. Have you ever experienced the frustration of not being able to access certain websites on your browser? Perhaps you keep getting a "this site can't be reached" error message, which can be quite annoying. Well, fear not, as we have a solution for this pesky problem. The solution to this problem lies in adjusting the DNS settings on your device. DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, is like the phone book of the internet, translating domain names into IP addresses. By changing your DNS server to a faster and more reliable one, such as Google's public DNS or OpenDNS, you can potentially fix the issue of not being able to access certain websites. This simple tweak can make a world of difference in your browsing experience. Now, you might be wondering how to actually change your DNS settings. It's easier than you think. Simply go to your network settings, locate the DNS section, and input the IP addresses of a DNS server you want to use. Remember to save your changes and restart your device for the new settings to take effect. Voila! You should now be able to access those previously unreachable websites without any hassle. In summary, the next time you encounter the frustrating "this site can't be reached" error, remember that adjusting your DNS settings could be the key to solving the problem. By choosing a faster and more reliable DNS server, such as Google's public DNS or OpenDNS, you can enhance your browsing experience and say goodbye to those error messages. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below with your favorite DNS server joke. Happy browsing!